Brigid, goddess of fire, poetry, and healing. Brigid's legacy spans from ancient myths to modern traditions. How much do you know about this powerful goddess? Which group honored Brigid? What did Brigid invent according to legend? What type of well was sacred to Brigid? Who was Brigid's husband in some myths? Brigid's sacred flame burned where? What natural feature is linked to Brigid? Brigid is often depicted with what animal? Which symbol is often linked to Brigid? Brigid is often linked to which festival? What did Brigid teach to the Tuatha Dé Danann? Brigid is sometimes called a goddess of what? Brigid was said to protect what? Which Christian figure is linked to Brigid? Brigid is sometimes seen as a goddess of. Who was Brigid's father? What structure was dedicated to Brigid? Whether goddess or saint, Brigid's light continues to shine. Will you continue your journey into her lore? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.